What's up, guys? Cheap Piece, aka Noah, back today bringing another video. This time we're doing it at the new shelving unit kind of thing. I want to try it a little bit. It might not be the greatest, so we may be going back to the original setup after this. But tell me, guys, in the comments if the new setup looks pretty good. But today we finally are doing another mystery box. We have a SNKRFLEA $40 January closeout mystery box. So this is going to include a t-shirt per. The top prize was actually Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low. And there's only gonna be one of them, and there's a few other things in there, but it's only $40. You get one shirt per, and then you get like a certain amount of tickets per entry. So I actually have two in the same thing, so I'll get 2 shirts and I get 5 tickets of entry. Hopefully I actually win something. If you guys have watched any of my previous videos, I haven't done one in a while, but this is the first SNKRFLEA mystery box that I'm doing since I don't even know when. It's been a while. So we're gonna try to do some more mystery boxes. I thought we would start off with a pretty cheap one, the SNKRFLEA, just $40. Hopefully 2 shirts, hopefully something cool. I know in the last video they had the Rock t-shirts, and I don't mind them, but they're nothing crazy. Resale's not really there. And then there's some social club stuff. There's some other hype stuff in there, so hopefully I get one of them. So let's get this open and hopefully get something good. I know I don't have the table, so it's gonna be a little more difficult than normal, and hopefully I get one of the big prizes, or just any prize. There's 10 and like $15 or like 20 or whatever dollar prizes, and it looks like we actually do have something different. But let's get into the shirts first. So the first one is actually like a custom one with like a Louis Vuitton thing. This is kind of one of the ones I wasn't sure if I wanted. I'll show you guys it a little closer, but there's actually like a Louis Vuitton like patch on it. I'll show you guys a picture of it bigger too, since I don't know if I'm going to take it out, but it's like Contra New York. I don't know exactly what the brand is or anything. Like I said, a nice Louis Vuitton like stitched piece on it. Kind of cool. Don't know resale on it. Obviously stuff will be on the screen like I always do it. And then another shirt. Let's see what this one is. So it looks like I got one of the band shirts. Like I said last time, there's no like crazy resale value on these. This one's actually a Pink Floyd Dark Side of the Moon shirt. I think it looks kind of cool. I'll show you guys that. Again, I don't know what they go for. I mean, this isn't printed on anything crazy. It's just like a Fruit of the Loom shirt, so like it's not like a vintage one or anything. But for $40, it might be all right. The other one might be all right. Again, I don't know too much about either of the stuff. And there is something else in here. I don't know what this is. Is this just like a Louis Vuitton? There's just like, let me show you guys, like a Louis Vuitton, just like random belt thing. I don't know if it goes with the other thing in here. Oh, this is pretty cool. So the other thing I got is, another thing you can get in here is some apothecary stuff that they're throwing in. So it looks like I got some apothecary socks. The socks are actually, I'm probably gonna keep these so I can take them out. They're actually Seth Fowler's brand. I do have a shirt, and I think I did recommend them in my Christmas sneaker gift. So I have one pair of socks. I think I have a pink pair. So I don't actually mind this. These things are like $15 each. This is the brand right here, Apothecary, and then it's like this neon green. I actually don't mind this. I am happy that I got something cool of Seth Fowler. Nothing else is in here. So we did get something different. I don't know what this Louis Vuitton thing, or if there's literally any value for it. I doubt it, because it doesn't say anything about Louis Vuitton. It's probably just like it might just be like a bracelet or something. So I don't know. Apothecary socks, pretty cool. I don't know if this was like a separate thing. Let me look real quick. No, so this was actually, so the socks were actually something that also can be included. So you were gonna get a t-shirt, and you could get some other things. These are custom Louis Vuitton bracelets. I don't think this really has any value, but the Apothecary socks, $15. I'm gonna keep these because I like Seth Fowler, and I think the Apothecary brand is pretty cool. So 2 t-shirts, a custom Louis Vuitton bracelet. Obviously I have all the values up. I don't know if I made my money back. It was really more just an attempt to get some Travis Scott Jordan 1 Lows, since you know they go for a ton of money, and for like $40 it wasn't that bad. It might be one of the better ones because I did get more than just the t-shirts. So overall I'm pretty happy about it. Let me know in the comments if you guys got one of these, and let me know what you guys got. Hopefully one of you guys gets the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low. So I don't mind him. Pretty happy about the socks. I think it's one of the better things I've actually gotten recently from SNKRFLEA. So we may do more SNKRFLEA mystery boxes. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do some more, and also make sure you subscribe to the video, because we will be doing some future mystery boxes coming up soon. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.